Hello to one and all. My presentation topic is on preheat improvement in crude distillation unit, submitted by Navneet Krishnan and Arun Raj under the guidance of external guide for the Mr. Saravana Raj, HOD of Chemical Engineering Department, Weldtech High Tech Engineering College. External guide for Madaswamy, manager of the crude plant in CPCL. Abstract. The main abstract for this improvement of heat from waste heat utilization finally given 1.27 degrees 2 degrees Celsius to gain existing case. These are the cases for the overall existing five types of heat exchanger using in this existing case lineup. Modified case, improvement of one new heat exchanger implementing for this lineup. This is the coloring for 1.27 new heat exchanger lineup, and the available data for the heat exchanger streams is the available data for heat exchangers, calculation for the calculating the modified cases and preheating unit, and then effectiveness NTU method to calculating. This is a mass flow rate and hard fluid diagram, and the calculation to overall lineup for process result and discussion to 253 degrees Celsius overall temperature, and then modified lineup for the lineup this temperature for 254.25, and the cost estimation design summary to conclude